Are you looking to trade gold in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, choosing the best Forex broker can make all the difference. At Top Forex Brokers Review, we've compared the best gold trading Forex brokers for 2025 based on spreads, regulation, platforms, and trading features. We have reviewed dozens of brokers and shortlisted the top best gold trading Forex brokers 2025. Their names are on screen. FP Markets, 8cap, Okta, Tickmill, IC Markets. FP Markets. Let's start with FP Markets, a globally trusted broker, licensed by top-tier regulators like ASIC and SISEC. FP Markets stands out for offering ultra-low spreads on gold, lightning-fast trade execution, and access to the advanced MT4 and MT5 platforms. Whether you are day trading or holding long-term positions, FP Markets gives you the tools and reliability to trade gold with confidence. 8cap. Next up is 8cap, a regulated Australian broker that's gaining popularity among gold traders. Known for its tight gold spreads, high leverage options, and seamless integration with MT4, MT5, and TradingView, 8cap offers a professional trading experience with top-tier charting tools and fast execution. Okta. Okta is another top pick for gold trading in 2025. It offers commission-free gold CFDs, negative balance protection, and access to the intuitive MT4 and MT5 platforms. With fast execution and a user-friendly interface, Okta is a solid choice for both new and experienced traders. Tickmill. Don't miss Tickmill, a well-regulated broker trusted by traders worldwide. Tickmill offers reliable trade execution, tight gold spreads, and support for the MT4 and MT5 platforms. With strong regulatory backing and a focus on transparency, Tickmill is an excellent choice for gold trading in today's fast-moving markets. IC Markets. Now let's talk about IC Markets, a top-tier broker known for its institutional-grade trading conditions. With ultra-low spreads on gold, fast order execution, and deep liquidity, IC Markets is ideal for scalpers and high-volume traders. It also supports MT4, MT5, and C-Trader, giving you flexibility and precision in your gold trades. Gold remains a safe haven asset in uncertain times. Choose a broker that fits your strategy and gives you the tools to succeed in the markets. Check the link below in the description for our full comparison of the best gold trading brokers in 2025. Trade smart, trade with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more broker insights.